This time, we will take a look at a very popular function from our 3D design with linear solutions for AutoCAD, namely the automatic 3D generation of a pipe network based on a single line design. So in our example, I've already designed the pipe networks in a single line in a 3D isometry, and now I want to transform all pipes and components into 3D. I first stop the linear pipe network calculation. This builds the basis for the automatic generation of the pipes and corresponding building parts. The network is thus captured and then calculated and hydraulically balanced. Through optimization within the calculation, we find out the ideal dimensions of all pipes. So now we get the calculated dimensions for all sections and components, and the program determines the exactly suitable material. Once this is done, I can start the automatic 3D generation. The program still points out to me that due to the 3D generation, a rework might be necessary. These are in particular pipe offsets due to collisions, which I can then comfortably resolve with the linear functions. Now only one information is missing to realize the generation, namely the selection of the pipe material. Here you can either rely on the extensive data set of our industry partners or use neutral material. I decide here for a system of the company Figa and add the suitable system for flexible pipes as well. Now we can start the 3D generation, where you have the choice whether you want to do this only for a part of the network, for example the area of the heating center, or the entire model. We're doing it for all pipes in our project, and as you can see, all pipes, including transition pieces, have now been generated automatically, and we get a complete 3D pipe network. The valve and other building parts contained in the pipe network as neutral 2D symbols can now be conveniently replaced by 3D components from the linear CAD libraries in a second step. I will show you this here using a shutoff valve and an integrated pump. I switch to the linear CAD browser and select the shutoff valve from the company IVT. Using the replace command, I now select the corresponding 2D symbol, and the 3D component is automatically integrated. The appropriate reducers are also inserted directly. Now we do the same with the pump. Here I choose a Grundfos pump with flange connection out of the linear CAD browser, and again, use the replace command and replace the 2D symbol. Here as well, the matching reducers and the flanges are directly integrated. To finish this step, I now turn the pump to the desired orientation and screw the flange connection. It can be as simple as that. I can now proceed in this way with all components and receive a complete 3D model as a result. With the help of automatic 3D generation, you can easily move from your single line design to a detailed 3D model as the ideal basis for your construction or installation design. That's workflow instead of workaround.